Child support. Child support is an ongoing payment made by a non-custodial parent for the financial benefit of their child following a separation. It is also known as child maintenance in the UK and Australia. Family law across the US, Europe, and Australia dictates that parents have a strict obligation to financially support their minor children. When parents separate, courts use specific mathematical formulas to calculate these mandatory payments. Judges factor in both parents' incomes, the number of children, and the time the child spends with each parent. These funds cover essential expenses like food, shelter, clothing, and education. Failure to pay court-ordered support can lead to severe consequences, including wage garnishment or imprisonment. For example, a couple with one daughter decides to get a divorce. The court grants primary physical custody to the mother. The father, who earns a high salary, moves into his own apartment. Based on state guidelines, the judge orders the father to pay $800 every month in child support. The father must legally transfer this money until their daughter reaches adulthood. The mother uses these specific funds to help pay for the child's daily groceries and school supplies.